Hi, I'm LaShawn and welcome to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time here and you want to be inspired on a daily basis, then this is the perfect place for you. Start now by subscribing and clicking the bell. Hello. My name is LaShawn and welcome to my YouTube channel. This is a very simple lifestyle vlog where I get here every morning and I try to uplift, encourage, and inspire as many people as I possibly can. Let me tell you a little bit about myself. I am the divorced mother of 3 adult children. I have 2 boys and a girl. I am a United States Navy veteran. I'm also a surgical tech. I am disabled and I work full-time here now from my home. I am a hustler. That's right, I'm a hustler. I get up every day and I work. I do something for my YouTube channel every single day. And I love what I do. I love to help people, uplift people, encourage people, and talk about the love of the Lord. That's right. So this is my new intro. So here I am. And if you like what you see, click like, share, comment, and come back here on a daily basis. So here's today's video. Hello, it's me, LaShawn, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm so glad you decided to join me today. It's beautiful here. It's always beautiful here. I know you get tired of me saying it, but I never will. Today we're doing coupons. That's right, the dinosaur is clipping coupons again. I enjoy clipping coupons. Now, of course, coupons are not as generous as they used to be. You used to get them in the Sunday paper, a whole stack of them. And then if you went to your friend's house who threw them in the trash, you can accumulate quite a bit. And sometimes they used to be at the top of the trash in the recycle. Not anymore. They barely make them anymore. Everything is digital now. So the smart thing to do is to, if you get coupons in the mail, which I do every Wednesday, we get the different sale papers like this. It'll be Winn-Dixie, Harvey's, Publix, Aldi, Save-A-Lot, all of the major ones that are here in Florida. You'll get them on Wednesday. And then smack dab in the middle of them, you'll get either Procter & Gamble or one of those places. And it'll be a little stack like this of coupons. Mostly stuff like dish detergent, air fresheners, toilet paper, soap. But every now and then you'll see a food product, but very, very rarely. Now, let me explain why I take my time to clip the coupons. I do it because you just never know when the perfect coupon is going to come. And I've learned that I can say 8 out of 10 weeks that I get the coupons, it's always a Dawn coupon in there. Now, if you follow my YouTube channel, you know I love Dawn. I absolutely love Dawn, but sometimes it's not in the budget and I go to the dollar store and get whatever I can afford. But when I can afford it, I get it because it's worth the money. So if I can find a coupon for Dawn, which I see right off the back on the back of this coupon, it's worth my time. So if you've never couponed before, all of my videos for couponing beginning level, because all you need is some handy dandy scissors. Oh, I've been scrubbing too long. Look how I'm doing that. And whatever coupons that came in the mail. And so I'll tell you what's in here because I just want you to know that these come for free in the mail. If you use Dial Body Wash, it's a $2 off on coupon in here. It's $1 off the hand wash. Then we have Persil, I never heard of that. Laundry detergent, $2 off and a $3 off. Next, see, this is what I'm talking about. They have the Renews It air fresheners, you know, the ones you pull up and turn. They have those. They always have those. And when I go to Family Dollar, I always get them because Family Dollar always have them for 97 cents. I haven't been in a while, but that's what they used to be. But if you look at this coupon, I'm trying to get it so you can see it. See? Buy 4, get 2 free. Buy 4, get 2 free. Now they have a 3-pack of these. So I guess you could get the 3 and the 1, or you can get the 4. Let's say you get the 4, that's 99 cents. That'll be $3.90 that you'll pay for the 4. and then you'll get 2 more for free. So you'll get all together, you'll get 2 free. You'll get 6 of these. So if that's what you want to do, I'm going to go ahead and clip it because I haven't been to Family Dollar in a while, and you just never know. And this coupon is good for almost 40 days. I always look at the date because why clip it if it's finna expire in a couple days? I have no car. So I have to plan everything. So if I think I might be able to go, then I'll go ahead and clip the coupon. And be careful when you clip the coupons. You don't want to damage the coupon because they won't accept it. Okay, they got some soft scrub. That's that liquid like comment that you clean bathrooms and stuff with. I'm not a particular fan of that. I'd rather just use spray bleach. Next, they got CeraVe, C-E-R-A, CeraVe. And it's like a moisturizer for the skin. I guess it would be the equivalent of Eucerin or something like that, but it says save $5 off one. And I'm thinking, how much does it cost if they're giving you $5 off? But anyway, to make a long story short, I don't need that, but it's somebody out there who basically does. And they always have Dove. They got $3 off Dove body wash, $2 off Dove antiperspirant. They have $5 off Senecot, and they are laxative gummies. OMG, if you need those. They got laxative gummies now. I did not know that. But anyway, you get $5 off if you need them. Next, we have Blink. That's the name of it, is Blink. It's to re-wet your drops if you wear contact lenses. So far, nothing. Next is makeup. And if you follow my channel, you know I don't wear any makeup. But they got Maybelline. They got some Maybelline here. And they got some lipstick. They got the mascara. And they got the eyeliner. All for $3 off. So if you wear that makeup, you could have saved $9 this week. And what is this? Next we have Polygrip. Now Polygrip is for your dentures to help them glue them into place. And it's say save up to $27. So the next couple of pages is just pictures of Polydent, Pronamel, Sensodyne, which is all the different things, Centrum, which are vitamins, crystals, and vitamin C. So they got a whole bunch of vitamins and crystals. They got for periodontal disease. They got Pronamel for the shield. They got tooth whitener. They got Sensodyne, and they got Polygrip. All the same company. So we can zoom right past these. I don't need none of these whatsoever. I get all my vitamins from the VA. And then I don't need that specialized toothpaste or anything. But when it's time for my dentures, I'm going to get them, okay? When it's time for them, I'm going to get them. Now, this is something dear to my heart. It's Aquaphor. Aquaphor is just as good as Eucerin. And it comes in so many different ways. And this is $4 off for irritation. It's for eczema, soothes your skin. It's $2 off and $4 off. So if you get 2, you get $4 off. And we'll go on to the next. Next, we have more makeup. What is this? This is Revlon. Revlon, it's got coupons for the liquid. Is that Megan Thee Stallion? It sure is. Megan Thee Stallion working for Revlon. Okay. She getting paid. So they got mascara, they got eyeliner, and they got the foundation. $3 off, $2 off, $3 off. Next, they got heel and toe Flexidol, which is to, if you got really cracked skin, it's supposed to help it. And so it must be expensive because it's $5 off. That's got to be expensive. Then they got Osteo Biplex for the aching muscles and stuff. $10 off, $7 off, and $5 off. That stuff got to be expensive. And then next, they have the Boost Save $6. Now, Boost, Ensure, well, no, I ain't going to put that in the same category. I'm just going to say that Boost or the, I just said the name of them. Anyway, this is save $6 on any 2 packages of the Boost. Ensure is the name of the other one. The VA doesn't pay for that for me. They do pay for it, but that is if you're underweight, those type of things. So I don't qualify. So when I have extra money, I get a box of them from Amazon. But Boost, it say save $6. So you have to look and see what works. See, it say save $6 on the Boost. So we're gonna go ahead and cut that because I like to have these shakes in the fridge. These are like a complete meal, and sometimes when I'm not feeling well, I can just drink one of these and lay back down and not have to try to stand up at the stove and try to make something. That is starting to be a big problem. And I got this ceiling fan on and it's blowing my coupons. Okay, so we got 2 coupons so far. Next, more gummies for hair growth. They got gummies for hair growth. I learn something new every day. Then these gummies here is for calcium. It's just pills and gummies. Next, what is this? Ready, some kind of drink. Premium hydration with no sugar. Just another drink like Gatorade and all those. It's all of them. Just drink some water. And then they got Cascade. I see they finna get into that. They got the Cascade. And then, now this is where I pay attention. They got the Fabric Refresher. Now, if you know Fabric Refresher is like $4. It ain't no joke. They should be ashamed of themselves, P&G. But it's a $2 off on this coupon. So if it's $4, you pay $2. My thing is, if you go to the dollar store, you're gonna pay $1.25 for the no name. And for me, I always learn that the spray always get either clogged or break on me. I don't know, but whenever I get the P&J, it never does. So we're gonna go ahead and cut this because the way I see it, some things are not worth trying to save money because it's not gonna be the same quality. If the handle is gonna break every time I get Fabric Refresher from the dollar store and it's not sturdy, then it's not doing me any good when I have to try to find another bottle for it before the bottle is up. So be careful when you clip these coupons. You don't want to mess them up. Now they got, if you need pads, they have, because it's Procter & Gamble, of course they got them. So you can have always pads, always night pads. They have the urinary pads. They have the bladder leak protection. I sound like a salesman, don't I? Next, we have the Gillette razors. And next, they have Cottonelle. They have Cottonelle. That's the detergent. And on the very last page I showed you at the very beginning is our $2 off of our Dawn. Now, that's going to be worth all the coupons. So I clipped this. Be very careful. And I'm going to get me some Dawn for $2 off. So I always get the smallest container, get the $2 off. And I absolutely love Dawn. Here it is, $2 off the Dawn. So we have 4 coupons that we were able to get. So altogether, that's $2, that's $6, then another $2, and then it's buy 4, get 2 free. So basically, you're saving $2. So altogether, we're gonna save $12 altogether. But okay, let's say $6 because I'm not sure if I'm gonna get the Boost. But I went on and clipped the coupons for it. Now, that's how you start your couponing. Next, you go to the sale paper. You decide which store you're gonna go to. Now, depending on which store you go to, they have rewards. For instance, Harvey's Winn-Dixie got rewards. So every time I use their brand, I get a couple of cents off. And then I accumulate points. Like the last time I went, I cashed in my $2.10 in just points. And then used that, and then it spit it out coupons. And then I saved another $1.50. So that was $3 before I even used my coupons. So you find out which store you're going to, download their digital coupons from the app, and it go directly on your card. And then after you do that, sometimes you can look online and they have them. I haven't found much luck lately in trying to get them, but that is something to think about. You want to save as much as you can. Everything is so expensive, and basically we just trying to make it. Everybody don't coupon. I still do. It gives me something to do. And I do not feel like it's a waste of time. I get comments, I get messages, I get all kind of things saying it's a waste of time, and I truly don't feel that it is. So you may think it's a waste of time, but I don't, because any way I can save money, $1, $2, $3, is money toward food to make sure that I eat. Okay, so that's it. That's all I got for you. If you want a coupon, look at any of my coupon videos. They're all the same. It's basic. I just tell you how to utilize what you have. Look and see what food you have. Get your coupons, old-fashioned way, clip them, and then digitally download them onto your phone. Okay? So that's it. That's all I got for you. It's time for us to breathe in and breathe out so that we can get our day started. Okay? Breathe in, breathe out. Ooh, we thank you, Father God. We are so grateful for this day, Father. Thank you for giving us another day. We are so grateful. Now, wherever you headed today, to work, to school, or maybe you have a job appointment today. Maybe you got an interview for a job that you've been hoping and praying you'll get. I hope you'll get it too. Okay? So, have a good day. Have a blessed day. And remember, God loves you, and so do I. Goodbye, everybody. Goodbye. Thank you guys for watching today. Hope you enjoyed today's video. Take a minute to leave a comment. I look forward to talking to you soon. Bye.